I'm going to upset some people with this, but if you're going to learn how to build native GUIs on AmigaOS, then learn MUI. Forget about the other GUI systems that are available. And yes, I just said that even though the official GUI toolkit for AmigaOS is Reaction, not MUI. And that's for one very good reason. Actually, there are multiple reasons, but the key one is this. MUI, aka Magic User Interface, is the most capable GUI system on AmigaOS, and it's the most capable by a fair margin. It has a wider range of classes and gadgets to use, and those gadgets are generally more flexible. They have more features. MUI gadgets support full drag and drop, especially things like the list view. You can move things around, and that's something that Reaction still doesn't have after all these years. Not only is it the most capable AmigaOS GUI toolkit, it's also the one that has the highest development momentum, which means it keeps progressing and the others keep on lagging further and further behind. Finally, it's available on all AmigaOS variants and clones. So AmigaOS 4, 3, AmigaOS 3, Morphos, and AROS via the Zune MUI clone, the open source clone. So if you write your GUI in MUI, then you can get your app up and running on all AmigaOS variants and clones, potentially, because it still depends on what the rest of your code is using. If you're wondering why I'm saying this, it's because I've had to make a similar decision in the past and I got it wrong. So I was writing software that I wanted to have running on multiple operating systems, including AmigaOS, and the two main choices that I had were Qt or WX widgets. Now, neither of them ran on AmigaOS at the time, but Qt was by far the most capable and had the greatest developer momentum. It was progressing the fastest. And I chose WX widgets because I really wanted to have a native GUI. So if you're not familiar with WX widgets, it works by mapping its widgets onto the OS's native GUI toolkit. So while it's cross-platform, on each platform you end up using the native GUI system. Anyway, fast forward to today, and Qt is going from strength to strength, while WX widgets is lagging further and further behind. Qt runs on AmigaOS, and the WX widgets port never materialized. And my main reason for choosing WX widgets turned out to be rather silly, because end users don't care if you're using the native GUI or not. They don't care what GUI toolkit you're using. They care, does the app do what they need it to, and does it do it well? So it was the wrong choice for me, and I paid for it. Now there's a similar choice on AmigaOS, and choosing Reaction because it's the official GUI toolkit is very weak. It used to be that you could say, at least argue, that MUI was heavier weight and slower, a bit sluggish, but with modern machines, not an issue. So my apologies to the developers who have worked tirelessly to improve Reaction, but my advice for Amiga developers, especially for newcomers, is choose MUI. It's more capable, it's more flexible, it works on all AmigaOS variants and clones, and it has fewer limitations. I bet you're thinking now, okay Hans, put your money where your mouth is and use MUI yourself. Sure, I'm planning a short series on building a small app using MUI for Kia Campus's Amiga Corner. So sign up to the Amiga Corner to support creating the series and others like it. Link in the description below. You'll get to see the videos first, and if you sign up to the Creator or Elite tiers, then you'll also be able to download and use the source code. Or you can be a cheapskate and wait for the videos to appear here.